Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shozab. Today we're talking about how to get a machine learning crash course with TensorFlow APIs for free. This is very easy, and I'll also tell you how to get Coursera Google machine learning certificate offered by Google for very free. This is very easy to because this is paid courses, but I give you this course for free, really free, and machine learning also. So basically I give you this page link in description. Machine learning, this is the website I opened, is developers of google.com and machine learning crash course. And after opening this page you can click on start crash course, and after this you can go on Coursera and search here machine learning. You can see machine learning specialization, so you can see it. Enroll for free. This is a 5 days free trial you can use, and you can also get shareable certificate and also many more things. And they also have beginner level and also intermediate and expert. So click on enroll for free, okay, and click on start free trial. And in machine learning you can see these are showing very most pages and very videos you have to see. First of all, it was showing the machine learning, introduction to machine learning.
Welcome to the Machine Learning Crash Course. My name is Peter Norvig, and when I joined Google in 2001, my title was Director of Machine Learning, because I knew then that machine learning would be a valuable tool to help engineers at Google and everywhere else make sense of their data. I didn't quite anticipate then how widespread the tools would become and how much demand there would be for engineers who are skilled at using them. This course is designed to set you along the path to becoming a skilled practitioner of the art. What you learn here will allow you, as a software engineer, to do three things better. First, it gives you a tool to reduce the time you spend programming. Suppose I wanted to write a program to correct spelling errors. I could make my way through lots of examples and rules of thumb, like I before E except after C, and after weeks of hard work, come up with a reasonable program. Or I could use an off-the-shelf machine learning tool, feed it some examples, and get a more reliable program in a small fraction of the time. Second, it will allow you to customize your products, making them better for specific groups of people. Suppose I produced my English spelling corrector by writing code by hand, and it was so successful that I wanted to have versions in the 100 most popular languages. I would have to start almost from scratch for each language, and it would take years of effort. But if I built it using machine learning, then moving to another language to a first approximation means just collecting data in that language and feeding it into the exact same machine learning model.
You can see enter your name card here and card number and country. You can see it also include Pakistan here. You can see Pakistan here, and you can also add card number and CVV and expiration date. But if you would not have a Visa card or another card, you can also link a PayPal. But you have to link to PayPal. You have to link PayPal, and now you can go. Your course has started. When we click on PayPal, so it was showing our next page of the search checkout. Here you can check out the PayPal account, and after this you are able to attend the Coursera course for free for 7 days, and it is much time to attend the course of machine learning. And you can also pay from nearpay and Sadapay from here, and I give you those all website link in description. What I have to do is to open the link in description and follow those steps I have tell you. So thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, because I'm very hardworking on this channel. Just like and subscribe. Bye.